Now Max here, he came when he was 5 weeks old. He was being bottle fed, so he did live in Joe's house because every couple of hours he had to be bottle fed. When he got bigger, they moved into an enclosure outside of Joe's house, and Kisa came along. Kisa's back there. She's a female lion. They let them play together. They form their own bond. Kisa has some problems. She has some neurological damage.
She doesn't play with Tiger?
No, she came to us that way. We don't know if it's from the malnourishment she endured before she came here or if she was born that way. He saw it and he decided to take care of her. He's like her big brother protector.
So they are completely have access to each other?
Yes. Oh. Yeah. They form their own bond here. They don't want to be separated. So it's just an awesome thing. As I said, Max, probably the sweetest cat in the world. You know, but that doesn't mean you're going to go in there with him.
And survive.
And survive, exactly. I don't